our second vlog. From our previous vlog, we experimented Boyle's law, but now we're going to experiment Charles' law.
In Charles' law, volume is directly proportional to temperature while having a constant pressure and number of moles of gas. First, we need 2 pieces of balloons. Second, hot and cold water, or you can put it inside the refrigerator. For the first experiment, you need to inflate the balloon. Put it in hot water and wait for about 3 minutes. You can observe that the balloon increased in size. For the second experiment, same process just like in the first experiment. However, this time, you have to put it inside the refrigerator or freezer. We can observe the balloon decreased in size. In this experiment, we can conclude that the hot and cold temperature affected the volume of the balloon, making it increased and decreased in size.
And that's the end of our vlog.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Wait for like,
Share, and subscribe.
wait
For our next
vlog. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.